Everyone, in today's video I'm going to give you guys some pointers and tips to simply get approved faster on your tap mob io. Sorry. So the first tip is to simply complete your profile with care, meaning have a virtual resume on top mob to make it shine. Be sure to provide accurate information about your skills, experience and interest to get approved instantly. Optimize your skills tag when filling out your profile. A is the screening task. Some tasks on TapMob may require you to complete screening tasks as part of the approval process. Treat these tasks as opportunities to showcase your abilities and attention to detail. Stay active and engaged after making the account to wait for the approval and build your reputation. And yeah, these are some tips that I personally followed when I was making my tapmob .io account. So yeah, I hope this helps you also. So yeah, thank you for watching this video till the end. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and like the video.